So you're looking for a powerful yet simple long-term investment. Well, meet VOO, Vanguard's S&P 500 ETF. Let's explore why it deserves a position in almost every core portfolio. Let's start off with the first reason: market exposure and stability. VOO tracks the 500 largest US companies across tech, healthcare, consumer, and more. So your bet's on the whole economy, not just a single stock. Second, costs matter. Fees erode returns, especially over decades. VOO charges just 0.03%, meaning more of your money stays invested to compound. Third, performance. According to financecharts.com, VOO delivered 13.18% total return in the past year, 111.53% total over 5 years, and 262% over 10. The kind of growth very few active managers can match. Fourth, history and reliability. VOO was launched by Vanguard in 2010, but it tracks the S&P 500, an index with nearly 100 years of history. Since 1926, the S&P 500 has averaged returns at around 10% annually, even through crashes like the dot-com bubble, 2008, and COVID. VOO rivals SPY, which is another flagship ETF, but big Vanguard pricing gives you a slight edge. Nate Garachi, president of financial advisor the ETF store, believed it's only a matter of time before both VOO and IVV track down SPY. While SPY is the undisputed liquidity king, it carries an expense ratio that is triple the amount of VOO. Fifth, behavioral. Fifth, behavioral advantage. In 2024, broad market index ETFs outperformed top-tier private equity, proving retail investors don't need fancy plays, just consistency. To build lasting wealth, anchor your portfolio with VOO, the high-return, low-cost route to the American economy. If you enjoyed this video, I'd greatly appreciate it if you left a like, subscribed, and let me know down in the comments what you personally like to invest in for the long haul. And like always, stay blessed.